Alrighty, guys, we got a Texas Star. Good evening time, everybody. First, and if you ain't liked and subscribed to our YouTube, please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube. Thank you. We got a 1.2 kW base from our friend Ron. Base 1.2 kW 12 pack. We call it it's a Texas Star. We call them a 12 pack all the time. 1.2 kW. It's IE pill. All right, guys. This is an old one. I've never even seen one like this. I don't even know if these pills come in. I'm kind of thinking they didn't, because I've just never seen them in there. Maybe they did, maybe they didn't. This is a Motorola. I want to see if I can see it through the camera, but I can't. I can't see it through the camera. I'll put my glasses on and see if I can see it. It is I don't guess I can see it at all. Motorola SRF 2072 8831 Malaysia. Kind of looks like somebody's put them in there, like they didn't come in there. See the solder and stuff? So I don't know. I know they work. Anyway, the problem was with this box of input tune. So I changed this cap right here, retuned the adjustable input tune, and glued it down. Got as low as I could. She should be good to go, Ron. Alright, let's look at it. We'll look at our straight through SWR to start with. I'll turn them both off. Straight through SWR. Hello, my 99. My 99, get straight on through. Hello, my 99. Alright. Turn him on. Input SWR radio drive, input SWR almost 0. On the LP, radio drive, my 99. Now we're just running 14 volts because you know Texas Stars are wimpy. Hello audio, 1 2 1 2 1 2 3. I don't want to break my Texas Star with my antique pills. Hello audio, 1 2 3. Alright. I'm gonna kick it up here to 100 watt drive, should be. Let me turn on standby, let's see. 100 watt drive, 100 watt drive, 100 watt right on the money. That's about all you need to put in these things. Let's look at our input now. Hello. We got a little bit of SWR, but not almost none with 100 watts, so it's good to go, man. On our LP, 100 watt drive. 100 watt drive. That's clicks because my deck is so low, but that's okay. 100 watt drive, 100 watt drive. On my LP, on my LP. Get on down, get on down. But there she is, man. She's all up and good to go for you. I'll get the lid and stuff back on and the fan kit and all that screwed back down. So we got an antique Texas Star 1.2 kW. Kind of probably an odd box. I've never seen them pills. Them pills coming, I know it's kind of rare. There's not many of them around. Alright, Ron, she's all fixed up, ready to go, man. Appreciate you. Appreciate the business. Appreciate everybody watching. Hope y'all have a good one out there. Like I said, take time to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already, and like our videos and check out the rest of our videos, guys. If you want notifications when we upload a video, and ring that bell. Alright, folks, y'all take care. Your friend 10-018 Beavis. I will catch you later on. Bye-bye-bye.